How's it guys, it's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. I just want to do a quick video in terms of our $10,000 challenge and where we stand with it currently. So we're approximately 3 weeks into the challenge now, and we are in total up 2% on closed positions on the account at the moment. So a little bit slower than what I was hoping for. But that is the purpose of this challenge, is that we are watching our money management very, very carefully, and we are being extremely strict with the money management. So the maximum drawdown on this trading account at the moment. Now what the drawdown means is the maximum percentage of the account that has been in negative open positions is 3.15%. Now most of you will know stories, or know traders even, who are trading with 20 or 30% risk on their trading accounts. Now guys, that kind of risk is high risk trading. And I personally know traders who are in the markets and who market themselves on social media as being medium and low risk traders, but they're risking 20 and 30% of your trading accounts in the market. Guys, that is high risk trading. And if you go to any financial institution in the world and you speak to them about risk in terms of what is acceptable on a trading account, they are going to be a lot more conservative with the figures that they give you, and probably more in line with kind of where we stand with the $10,000 challenge at the moment. So as I said, a maximum drawdown of 3.15%, which means that was $31 on $1,000. That is the maximum drawdown that this account has been in at the moment. So we're very, very, very focused on the money management side, and in terms of what the maximum allowable drawdown will be on the account, guys, I'm happy to go up to a maximum of sort of 10% drawdown, but I'm definitely of the opinion that we won't even get to that kind of level. And the reason for that is because of the money management rules that I have in place. So I'll only have 5 open positions at any given time, and each position has a maximum risk of 2%. So if all 5 positions get to their maximum risk percentage, 2%, at the same time, then our drawdown in the account would be 10%. That would sort of be the maximum that we can get to. How it works, however, is if I then have 5 positions open, but 3 of them are in profit and they have profit stops in. Now what a profit stop means is that a trade has gone in my favor and I'm in profit on the trade, and what I've done is I've moved my stop loss above my entry, or vice versa if I'm trading short, below my entry. And what that means is that my stop loss is then in a profitable position. So that trade can no longer now end up in the negative in that account. So when I'm in a position like that and I've got 5 open trades and 3 of them are in profit and I've got profit stops in, that means that I can then go and open additional positions, because those 3 trades are now no longer forming part of the negative possibility trades in the account. So as you can see, the money management side of it is very, very important to me, and I'm going to make sure that we follow those rules strictly throughout the duration of this challenge. So for those of you who are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme or something that's going to make you $1 million overnight, this is probably not the way that you're going to do it. But I do guarantee that if you are looking for long-term financial wealth and you want to build something that is substantial going forward, that doing it like this is the way to go. And that is what we focused on. We're looking at a long-term approach to a really good solution for building some wealth, not only for Greenbox Markets clients, but for other clients as well, or for other people who are in the trading industry. So how do you become part of the $10,000 challenge? And that is a question that a lot of guys have been asking me. It's quite simple. We have put it up on the website, but I do understand that not everybody has gone to the website to have a look, so I'm just going to explain it here quickly. So there are a couple of options that you can look at. The first option being obviously to become a Greenbox Markets client, open an account with us and fund that trading account, and it will then form part of our managed portfolio. Now the managed portfolio is traded on very, very strict rules as well, and the $10,000 challenge trades form part of the managed portfolio. The second way to become part of the $10,000 challenge is to have a manual trading account with Greenbox Markets. Now, you can open an account and fund a trading account with us, and if you would prefer to trade it manually, not on the managed system, we will set you up in our $10,000 challenge WhatsApp broadcast list. And what this list will do is it will give you access to information in terms of all the trades that I enter. So your you will receive messages in terms of my entry levels and my stop loss levels, and also a very, very basic description of the trade. I'm not going to go into detail with every single trade because that would take up too much time, but I will give you basic descriptions of each trade, and through that you will probably learn a lot, being that you'll be trading manually. Then the last way to become part of the challenge is to simply go to the MQL website. There will be a link in the description of this video below, and on the MQL website you will find our trading signal where you can actually pay and subscribe to. So you could have a trading account with any broker throughout the world, and you can go onto the site, simply link our account to your account via the subscription, and the trades will then automatically take place in your trading account from that point forward. So those are the ways that you can become part of the challenge. Obviously we would prefer guys to become actual Green Box Markets clients, because it's more beneficial not only to you but to us as well. But we are quite happy with guys who are just simply linking on the MQL site, as well as we do derive an income from the signal that is on that site. So all in all, been a little bit of a slow start, but I'm still really, really happy with the money management rules that are in place on the $10,000 challenge. And I'm very, very excited about the prospects of this challenge, and also the learning curve that is coming through it. Not only for me, but for our clients as well, who are following the challenge at the moment and who are having to learn a bit of patience and understanding in terms of the Forex market. Guys, I hope that clears things up in terms of how you can join the $10,000 challenge. And I hope that you have a really, really great rest of your weekend. Take care. Cheers.